Electronics. All about electronics.
This is the GPS tracking system with the help of the GSM module. The GPS find out the latitude, attitude, and the GSM sending the text message. If any person is the feeling trouble, then just press this push button. The buzzer is the beeping, and the GSM sending the text message to this mobile. Okay, the GSM sending the text message to this mobile. You just click this link sponsored by the next PCB. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the next PCB site is open. See, is the next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this, and you show the so many things. I mean, you just change your PCB color, height, holes, and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description. Please. Okay, let's go and see the component. Which component I use. Third, I use the GSM module. You use any GSM 900 or 800 or A. And fourth, I use the small buzzer. And fifth, I use the small push button. Okay, let's go and design the circuit diagram. I am using the design software to design the circuit diagram. I arrange the all the components one by one, like Arduino Nano, GSM module, GPS module, and buzzer and push button, and I do the connection one by one. This final circuit diagram is given in my video description. If you want, then please check out. Okay, in this project I using the hardware. First is the Arduino Nano board, GPS Neo 6M, and the one small buzzers and one push button, and the GSM Sim900A GSM module. Okay, this is the total hardware of this project. Okay, I will show the demonstration of this project. This is the GPS tracking system with the help of the GSM module. The GPS find out the latitude, attitude, and the GSM sending the text message. If any person is the feeling trouble, then just is press this push button. The buzzer is the beeping, and the GSM sending the text message to this mobile. Okay, the GSM sending the text message to this mobile. You just click this link, and automatically your Google Map is the on, and you just click this direction button. When you click this direction button, your Google Map automatically adjust your tracking. See, and you just click this start button. Then you directly find out this person. Where is the person? You directly find out the. Okay, this is the totally of GPS and the GSM based tracking system. I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button, and if you new in my YouTube channel, please press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.